epekto kaya kung sa pobre ka na mapugos ng bayad na wala tayo kwarta kay mapugos na tayong bayad yun then result po kay muna na natong kwarta din kailangan na itong gusto para sa itong eskwela na pero masulba na siya muna
ito ang kapobre kay kung wala yung kwarta di mo ka eskwela wala yung bayad sa exam.
So of course, poverty affects anyone, especially to those students who do not have enough allowance for their food and for their other projects. And also in the community, poverty affects especially those workers who do not have enough salary to buy food for their families, and also to those beggars that we see everywhere that they to just have enough food. So the community and us citizens must be united to make our country or community better for everyone.
That's why nag-affect yung poverty sa
For me, poverty affects students in a way that manisa daw sustain ng students sa ilang tuition fees kasi kanamay. Because of poverty as a student is mag-iso sila bayad sa ilang mga tuition fees. That causes na mura bumper to bumper na lang mga tuition fees. Aside from that, ang opportunities nila sa accessibility sa education versus ka na mga learning materials na online. Some of the students kaya wala sila access to online yung tungod. Hindi kasi sila wala sila yung opportunity sa education, wala sila opportunity sa kwarta, so mag-isa sila access sa online. Aside from that, sa education itself, some of the students kaya hindi sila makasulit sa school kaya tungod wala sila yung kwarta para makasulit sa school, especially in college.
The way that poverty can affect the people is like financial problems and also lack of time.